Follow the step on how to delete background photos in Adobe Illustrator. First, go to File, and click Place. Insert picture. Press Ctrl 2 to lock the picture. Use Pen tool or Curvature tool to create a line. I'm sure you can already use this tool. At this step, I will speed up the process. Close the path. Press Ctrl Alt 2 to unlock all objects. Select all. Right-click and make clipping mask. Select again, go to Object, and Rasterize. Select Background to Transparent. Right-click and Crop Image. Enter. Now you can save this. Go to File, Export, Export as. Set background to transparent. And click OK. Let's see the result. I will try to add a background. Finish. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.